To your attention is technological model of training of masters in electrical engineering to electrical installation and commissioning. Due to social economic transformations in the country, there is a need for engineers who have a new type of thinking, able to successfully, creatively, and quickly solve professional problems. However, the existing system of training an engineer in the electrical industry does not fully meet the needs of society in the development of a competitive, competent specialist. There is a need to renovate the existing system of training engineers in the electrical industry and their improvement. Therefore, the development of a model for training future specialists in electrical engineering to electrical installation and commissioning in the context of modern needs is quite relevant. Under the technological model of training masters in electrical engineering for electrical installation and commissioning, we mean a set of methods, means of selection and implementation of step-by-step control based on tasks using appropriate methods to obtain the result of integral readiness for electrical installation and commissioning. In the structure of the model of training future specialists in electrical engineering, to electrical installation and commissioning, three basic blocks are identified: motivational target, content procedural, and resultant. The following components act as structural element of the motivational target block of the model: social order, technological process and normative base, purpose, tasks. The content procedural block of the model includes components of the master's readiness to electrical installation and commissioning, as well as methods and tools of training. The resultant block contains a system of criteria for the formation of master's readiness, control procedure, levels of formation, self-assessment, result. Formation of future specialists in electrical engineering, of integral readiness to electrical installation and commissioning is carried out step by step on the basis of the set tasks. The first stage is aimed at forming motivation to electrical installation and commissioning through the formation of interests in the development of social and professional values. As a result, higher education applicants must have a focus on the chosen profession. It is formed a conscious motivation to electrical installation and commissioning. The second stage is aimed at mastering the system of functional knowledge, conscious skills, abilities, and actions in the process of training. The third stage solves the problem of improving the professional activities of the future specialists in electrical engineering, the readiness of the masters to varying the tasks of electrical installation and commissioning, achieving a high level of operational component of readiness for professional activity through testing as a subject of this activity in the learning process. There are considered the didactic methods and means of formation of readiness of masters in electrical engineering for electrical installation and commissioning. Methods that attributed to the motivational component. Solving problem situation and creative tasks related to the installation of wiring, grounding, repair of electricity. Discussions on electrical installation and commissioning, business and role-playing games in the process of work on electrical sites. The methods involve work in laboratories and on experimental electrical sites. Methods that attributed to the orientational component. Problem searching method provides for the creation of problem situation of electrical installation and commissioning. Technological method provides an orderly set and sequence of methods and processes that ensure the implementation of the project of the didactic process. Methods of practical training determines the conduct of joint tests and electrical installation and commissioning. Methods of self-learning provides opportunities for self-improvement. Methods that can be attributed to operational component. Modeling of situation of the process of installation of cable power lines, active methods of teaching elements of automation of technological processes, acquisition of practical skills. The means of forming the readiness of masters in electrical engineering for electrical installation and commissioning include the following: educational literature and normative documents lay the basis for the study of key theoretical provisions, laws, and regulations. Audiovisual content, helping to expand the perception of debugging processes. Laboratory equipment is the basis of work with electrical appliances and electrical systems. Electrical installation site lays the foundation for the operation of commissioning systems. Interactive learning environment is one of the key aspects of training masters in electrical engineering based on on interactive visual and audio content. Among the criteria for the formation of master's readiness to electrical installation and commissioning, there are included awareness of the importance and necessity of the electrical installation and commissioning, possession of a system of special knowledge necessary for the activities of the electrical installation and commissioning, possession of methods and techniques of necessary actions of the electrical installation and commissioning, performance ability to apply the acquired knowledge and skills in terms of production activities. At the end of the experiment, in the experimental groups at the reproductive level, there is an increase of more than 15%, at the adaptive level, more than 30%, at the modeling level, there is a reduction of more than 50%. The existing increase in indicators provides an opportunity to argue about the effectiveness of the proposed methods. Therefore, a technological model can have been developed to prepare masters in electrical engineering to electrical installation and commissioning. The proposed model can be considered as a structure that has a function given by the social order and personal needs of masters in electrical engineering to electrical installation and commissioning. The obtained results of the experimental study provide an opportunity to state that the model of training future specialists in electrical engineering to electrical installation and commissioning is effective. Thank you for your attention.